Welcome back to TechCrunch. Today we're going to show you how to set up a timer on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So press the button. Once we have this, let's pause this and reset. And we basically go to the menu, press again, and we go to the second page, and this is the timer. So let's say we want one for 1 minute. That would be 1 minute and it started immediately. But we could also press a 5 minute and it would also start immediately. Or we can go for more and even do a custom one. Let's say we want one for 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and 2 seconds. Not very intuitive and easy, but then you can start. So that will be a timer for 2 hours, 4 minutes. So yeah, that's how you set up a timer with a Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.